Imagine you lock up your bike, run inside for a quick coffee, and by the time you're back, it's gone. Every cyclist knows that sinking feeling. And thieves are getting smarter. But so are bike locks. In today's video, we're diving into 11 incredibly smart bike locks that take bicycle security to a whole new level. Number 1. ABIS 770A Smart X U-Lock. This lock feels like the future. No keys to lose, no keyhole to pick. You unlock it with your phone over Bluetooth. The shackle is tough 13mm hardened steel, so it shrugs off most tools. And if someone messes with your bike, it doesn't stay quiet. The built-in 100 decibels alarm blasts like a car horn.
The lock.
The app is simple. Lock, unlock, share access. And it tells you when the battery needs a charge. Yes, it's a bit heavy, but that heft means protection and scares off grabs. Number 2. Linka Leo 2 Pro. The Linka Leo 2 Pro is like a small bodyguard for your bike. It bolts to your frame and locks the rear wheel by itself when you park. No keys, no codes, just walk away and it snaps shut. When you return, use your phone or the little fob to open it. If someone touches your bike, it sets off a very loud 110 decibels alarm and sends an alert to your phone. The Pro version adds GPS with a built-in cellular connection, so if a thief takes off, you can track your bike live in real time. Number 3. iLockit GPS. Think of a lock that just handles itself. That's iLockit. When you walk away, it swings a steel bar through your back wheel and locks. When you come back, it opens on its own, before you even touch it. No keys, no codes, no fiddling. And if your phone dies, you still have options. A key fob and a simple color pin you tap. The smart part is the built-in alarm and GPS. If someone bumps your bike, your phone alerts you instantly. If they ride off, you can see the bike on a map. Number 4. Lattice Ellipse. This one looks a bit sci-fi, in a good way. It's a U-lock that charges itself with sunlight, so you almost never worry about plugging it in. The body is tough, a 17mm steel shackle with a double lock, which means a thief has to cut it twice to remove it. The smart side makes daily use simple. It connects to your phone for auto unlock. If someone messes with your bike, it senses movement and quietly sends an alert to your phone. You can also share access in the app and set crash alerts. Number 5. BitLock. BitLock keeps things simple. No keys, no codes. You walk up, press one button, and if your phone is near, it pops open. For sharing, the app lets you give temporary access to friends or family, like handing them a digital key. It also drops a pin where you parked and can log your rides, so you don't forget where your bike is. On the security side, you get a tough steel shackle, plus encrypted Bluetooth, so it resists both cutters and hacking. The battery can last up to 5 years. Set it up once and stop worrying. Number 6. Nulock Bluetooth Cable Lock. Let me show you Nulock, a cable lock with a loud mouth. It looks like a thick, flexible steel cable you can wrap around your frame and wheels. Once I tap the lock on my phone, it arms itself. If someone cuts, yanks, or even bumps the bike, it fires a 110 decibel alarm, loud like a car alarm, and that scare can send thieves running. I control everything over Bluetooth. The app tells me the battery level, and I can share access with family or a friend. It uses A batteries that last months, and rain isn't a problem. Number 7. Skunk Lock. The Skunk Lock isn't nice, and that's the point. It looks like a normal, tough U-lock, but inside there's a pressurized chamber. If a thief cuts deep into it, the lock releases a disgusting spray. We're gagging, coughing, eyes watering. They drop the bike and run. It's non-lethal, but it absolutely ruins their day. I like that it doesn't just sit there and lose, it fights back. Even without the spray, it's hardened steel and hard to cut. No apps, no Bluetooth, no fuss. Just a clever, nasty surprise for anyone who tries. Number 8. CD lock. CD lock is a genius in disguise. It looks like a normal saddle, but when you stop riding, you pull it off and unfold it into a meter-long folding lock. That means two things. You'll never forget your lock again, and no one can steal your seat because it's literally your lock. The steel links are hardened, the rivets are drill-resistant, and the lock cylinder is high security. It takes under 10 seconds to transform, and when it's back on your bike, it feels like any other saddle. It's weatherproof, comfortable, and practical. Number 9. Z-Lock. Z-Lock is straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's a foldable steel lock with a fingerprint scanner built in. Place your finger, and it unlocks instantly. You can store up to 20 fingerprints, so family or friends can also get access. Prefer your phone? The app works too, with AES 256-bit encryption keeping hackers out. Inside, a motion sensor can detect tampering and ping your phone immediately. The steel bars are linked with anti-drill rivets, built to withstand serious force. Oh, and it's waterproof enough to survive full submersion. Number 10. Sentinel S60. The Sentinel S60 feels more like a bike security system than a lock. Unlocking is fully keyless. You can use the app or a tiny RFID card. But once your bike is locked, the real magic starts. It has GPS tracking, motion alarms, crash detection, and even ride logging built in. If someone messes with your bike, a 100 decibels alarm screams and you get an instant alert. If they steal it, you can track it live on the app. And if you crash, the lock itself can notify your emergency contacts. It's heavy-duty steel on the outside, but inside, it's all connected tech. Number 11. LightLock X1. The LightLock X1 isn't smart in an app sense. It's smart in materials engineering. Its weapon is baronium, a ceramic composite that literally destroys angle grinder discs. In tests, thieves went through multiple discs and several minutes just to breach one side. Because of its design, they'd need to cut both sides to remove it, which is basically impossible in public without drawing attention. It's still a U-lock with a pick-resistant key and sold secure diamond rating. At the end of the day, no lock can make your bike 100% theft-proof, but the right one can make thieves think twice and move on. So, which of these locks would you trust with your ride? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clever gear finds.